We good? Alright. Okay, another unboxing video. We're doing Wallop this time.
It's cool. This guy's kind of he's a little rare one. It's cool.
I was told, because my friend, once again, P. Diddy T, I will put his link in my description. But he told me that the ladies at Toys R Us said that they were one per case. So I made sure he went and got me one because he was one of the first Trap Team characters that I've seen that I was really fond of. But, no, don't pause it. But, here you go.
I'm pausing it.
Is it unpaused?
And that's going to be cut it out. Please don't hear that part. He's kind of mad at me. And look at this unbox.
Alright. Well, like I was saying, he's actually one of the first Trap Team characters that stood out to me.
He really loves it. He really wants to have.
Since it was rare, I decided might as well get it while they're out. I got the last one at our Toys R Us. And like I said, they were one per case.
And what does one per case mean?
In their case, there was only one of these.
I know. And that's to tell you what it means. If you don't know. And
there's that.
It's very normal, as you probably already seen.
And that.
And then there's the card. It's cool because you already seen them, but still, it's cool. And he is showing you the very cool guy.
Now, in these new ones I've noticed, they have a flap in the back that comes out. That way it's easier to pull them out.
So you don't break them.
Right.
Because they're very rare.
Okay. And there's Wallop.
He's very rare, and I love because he has a crystal.
There's not very many ground types that I actually enjoy. I mean, I liked Prison Break, but that was about it.
And Flashwing.
I didn't really.
I
Ronnie
like it.
Flashwing, just like Ronnie likes Whirlwind.
What? It's my favorite. And I like Spyro.
And there's Wallop, everybody.
And it's very cool.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. And we'll see you next time.